my name is Jessica. I'm your Blue Shirt expert here at Best Buy, and today on Unboxed, we'll be taking a look at the Withings Sleep Tracking Mat. So let's get into it. Leading busy lives, we often get caught up and neglect ourselves, especially our sleep. So today we'll be taking a look at one of my personal favorite devices for your health, the Withings Sleep Tracking Mat. Okay, so taking a look at the packaging here. Comes with an easy pull-apart lid. Just slip it out of the packaging there. All right. First thing we see is that user manual here, as well as a little box. So taking it out here, we do see the power adapter. Comes out super easily. Put that right there. Okay. Then we have our mat here. And it's a super soft, beautiful cushion that it comes with, as well as the USB. Now this will easily plug into our adapter and you plug it into the wall. It's a super easy setup. You just slip it under your mattress and connect it to the wall. It also automatically syncs to the HealthMate app. The HealthMate app has an overview of your sleep analysis, which can detect snore detection, interruptions at night, and your sleep schedule, and so much more. With the HealthMate app, there is a sleep score, which is super cool to me to see how I slept last night. How cool is that? The Withings Sleep Tracking Mat is also compatible with other smart home devices. So, what does that mean? It means I can turn on the lights, turn off the lights, change the temperature of the room, all at the convenience of my own bed. Personally, when I'm going to sleep, I want a device that's super easy to set up. My name is Jessica, and today on Unboxed, we took a look at the Withings Sleep Tracking Mat. Thanks for watching!